This experiment is to investigate how does the weight acting on the two surfaces facing each other that causes friction affect the force required to pull the block. So as the force increases, which means the friction between this surface and the plank increases. So we'll start off with now the weight of one block itself acting on these surfaces between the plastic and the plank. And now we have 20 gram, it's not moving. So we'll add another 20 gram, 40 gram, not moving, add another 20 gram, 60 gram will move. So for one block, the mass required to pull the block is 60 grams. Let's retry this experiment for reliability. So 20 gram, 40 gram, and 60 gram is not moving yet. So what we are going to do is add another 20 gram. Oh, start moving. So we will take the average of 60 gram and 80 gram. So the average is 70 gram. Now what we are going to do next is to add in another weight on top. So now the force pressing the two surfaces together has increased. So we would like to check whether is there an increase in the amount of mass required to pull it. So 40 gram, 60 gram, now it's two blocks, 60 gram, 80 gram, 100 gram, 120 gram. So 120 gram is required to pull two blocks. Okay, so we are going to remove it now and start off with again 20 gram, 20 gram, 40, 60, 80, not moving, 100, oh, start moving. So we'll take the average of 100 and 120, so it should be about 110 grams of weight needed to pull these two blocks to move. Now we'll add on with another weight now. Now we have three weights. Now we have more weights acting between these two surfaces, plastic and plank. 20 gram, 40 gram, 60 gram, 80 gram, 100, 120 gram, 140 gram, 160 gram, 180 gram. So for our first trial, we need 180 gram to overcome the weight of three blocks acting on the surfaces. So now we'll retry the whole thing. Take out the mass. Then we start off with 20 gram, 40 gram, 60 gram, 80 gram, 100, 120 gram, 140 gram, 160 gram. Oh, 160 gram is already moving, so we'll take the average of 160 and 180, which is 170 gram. So what can you conclude?